Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more...
Welcome to Eddie and Omime World.
Okay, next one. Okay, and one more, right? Okay, you guys are good.
What color was that? Green. To get in, you have to be green.
That's right.
Really? Do you get wet?
Dentro del barco y cuida a los pequeñitos. A manera de recordatorio, no tomar fotos con flash y luz de video antes de llegar al inodoro.
Surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. One of those living systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration of life on our planet. These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface.
Why does nature smell like chlorine? I knew it! I knew that's why the water made me go down.
Oh, the crocodile, right?
In the desert, nature has created a very different, no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. Forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow today, we're learning to...
Food on desert seacoasts by developing and planting crops that thrive on salt water.
No cameras right now. All right, Justin Bieber.
Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce
We're done. We're done
now
with the ride,
and into
Baba.
the future.
Done.
Wait,
How was it?
wait.
How was it?
The
Was it
tropics
funny?
are home to the greatest
Was
diversity
it
of plants on the
awesome?
planet. Many of these, like papayas, all parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible.
Wow, maybe
The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking.
Sand. Look at the sand, how clean.
One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
See how popular bananas are?
And catfish, like the ones you see here, are 3 of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system we're using here recycles...
Oh my God, awesome fish.
...save millions of gallons each
Wow,
year.
look at those fish.
Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year.
Channel fish.
Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants. We play an important role in our efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect natural resources.
Water shrimp. Look, lobster. Lobster.
While there are more than 50,000
Look, lobster. Lobster.
While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the
Lobster.
use of these staples is an important
Canola,
goal
like the
of
oil.
research around the world.
Canola. Hot peppers. Ooh, I want one.
Me too.
I want one of them.
I want a banana.
I'll take the hot pepper.
Banana. That's just like...
That's how they make the shirts.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources. We're growing these crops using our nutrient film system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 20 years.
That's how they make
in this
sugar,
one
Ellie.
small area.
Look, this is how they make sugar. Remember you love sugar? Look at the winter melon. Wow, those are huge. Look at those melons.
A lemon's in the
Oh, I've never seen a winter melon that big. Look at that, baby. It's so big.
Look at that. It's a new one.
Eggplant. Berenjena. Berenjena, eggplant. Say hi.
In restaurants spots here at the land every year.
We do have 5 different varieties of bananas. We have things like ice cream bananas. They only get about this big and they're really, really sweet. We also have dwarf red bananas and dwarf Cavendish. We tend to stick to the dwarf varieties because we don't want them taking over all of the tropics greenhouse.
Ice cream bananas.
You see that? We have 5 bananas.
Any other questions? A winter melon. It's kind of like a mixture between a potato and a zucchini. It's really starchy, but it has a lot of moistness and a lot of water in there. It kind of tastes like the white part of a watermelon. We leave off all the good stuff and stuff with the rind. It's sort of it's not bad.
We're gonna stay here until the cross the road. Awesome. Awesome.
Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops tasted
Watermelon.
I was gonna say, you look exactly the same. But it's just so funny. He talks about you like this plan that I got, you know.
the future of agriculture. Made it to grown in this way is a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer.
You want to make this? These are awesome, right? Look over there. Over there, what are they made of? Research center. Mira, baby, the yellow flowers.
You could find a way to grow beef jerky.
Yellow flowers. You like them? ¿De qué color son las flores? Yellow.
Increase food production and protect our precious natural environment.
They're free.
Only then will we truly be living with the land.
We will be living with the aquí, el botón rojo, mamá,